One tool that dedicated stitchers eventually invest in is the needlework stand, a device that holds a frame or a hoop. It is essentially a third hand that leaves your own two hands free to stitch. I'm going to assembling it now. This frame set has 4 parts: scroll rods, extender bars, legs and tightening knobs. When assembled, the frames are very compact and take up little space. Subscribe to Handworks and press the bell icon to get notification for new videos. If you haven't reached the point of using a stand, but if stitching has become a major part of your creative life, chances are you will eventually consider one. This stand is perfect for many types of craft projects. Allows you to stitch easier, faster and more comfortable without holding the frame or fabric. It frees up both hands for stitching. The range includes frames that are placed on the table, floor or sofa so you can embroider while comfortably sitting in a chair or sofa. The products are made of beech, which contributes to the devices being light and durable at the same time. Check out DIY Stitching YouTube channel for more stitching tutorials. Whether your passion is cross-stitch, needlepoint, crewel embroidery or more, these versatile embroidery frames and stands are for you. Check this product link in the description below. I'll see you in the next video.